Rent to rent accounting, where to start? How do you go about this when you start? Should you be investing in an accountant? Can you do it yourself? What software should you use? What things do you need to know? What expenses do you really need? On this video, I'm gonna reveal my experience and try and share some value. Simon here, and I've got a 7-figure revenue rent-to-rent business. I've only been going for a few years, so it's been a really steep learning curve, and I've learned tons about accounting, especially to do with rent-to-rent and property. So on this video, I'm gonna break down what I would be doing if I was brand new to rent-to-rent, just getting my first deal, to save you time, to save you money, to save you the headache, and to save you the anxiety and stress of getting yourself into accountancy mess. Bit of a disclaimer before I start, all of this is just my opinions and my experiences. It's not financial advice. I have to say that. Sorry, guys. So first things first, if you've set up a limited company, you do have certain responsibilities. You can't just like set up a limited company and just leave it. So there's a couple of things you're going to need to do. The first thing is you're going to need to submit a confirmation statement every year. And that is just to be like, hey, company's house, we're still trading. I'm still the only director. Nothing's changed. Yeah. So it's super, super simple, but you do have to do that. And there are penalties if you don't do that by the deadline. And if you want to find out the deadline, just go on company's house, scroll down, and it will say confirmation statement, deadline, confirmation statement due. It tells you the dates, okay? You'll be able to download the forms to do it yourself on HMRC. There'll be videos and loads of stuff online for you to do that. Simple stuff. The second thing is you're going to need to submit annual accounts. Once again, Companies House will tell you the date the accounts are due because there's a deadline for that. And it will also tell you the date the payment, your tax liability is due, because you'll submit the accounts, and then you'll have a little while before the money is payable. Now, I do recommend make sure you do get an accountant to submit your company accounts, because it is complicated and you don't want to mess it up. But bookkeeping, on the other hand, that is something that you can do yourself at the beginning. It's super simple. And this is what I would recommend. First thing you want to do is you need to make sure that you have all of your business transactions on your business account. It sounds simple, but you'll like go to like Asda for like, I don't know, some paint, and you'll forget your business card and you'll put it on your personal, and then you'll just forget about it. And then 9 months later, you're doing this accountancy, you're putting your accounts in and you can't remember. So it's really important, where possible, that you use your company business account so that you can see in your statements full transparency of the income and the expenditure. And on the odd occasion where you do spend on a personal card, transfer the money from your business account to your personal card and make a note of what that's for. Okay? Really, really simple, but really, really effective. The second thing you'll need to do here is keep all of the receipts. You can't just be like, this is a business expense, that's a business expense, but you've not got the receipts. Because if HMRC say, hang on a minute, let's have a little look at what these expenses are, you're going to need to be able to provide the documents, the evidence. So please keep an envelope with all your physical receipts and keep a folder on your computer with all your electronic receipts or invoices. Keep them organized. I swear it is worth it, and it's going to make your life so much easier. If you're finding this useful and you want more content like this, please comment below, like this video, subscribe, all that good stuff, and help us continue to grow the channel. And possibly the biggest hack is simple, especially if you've not got much experience, is what I would do if I were you, is based on all your income and all your expenditure, I would get an Excel document and literally just go column 1, income, column 2, expenditure, and literally just list all your income, all your expenditure, which should correspond with your business account. And at the bottom, you just want to have totals. Really simple. You just, on Excel, I think you just want to literally, in the total, just go total. And next to that, you just want to put equal sum, brackets, and then scroll through the rows that you want it to add. It will give you the total. So you'll have a total income, total expenditure, and then you can have the profit, the gross profit before taxes there and then. And what I think is really useful is when you are loaning money to your business, just in the same spreadsheet, keep a record of the amounts and the dates that you transfer money from your personal account to your business. So, you know, when I started, I transferred £5,000 into my rent-to-rent business and I put director's loan, because you can then take that money back out once you're making money and it's completely tax-free. So I hope you found this useful. Once again, not financial advice, but hopefully just value in my experiences.